Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical drawing in SolidWorks 2025 well on it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File, select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the line from origin, make arc. Now draw the vertical, now horizontal. Now give the this line dimension 44 and this point and this line dimension 38. Okay. Now go to draw the circle from this point. This circle dimension 13. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now give the value here 41 from mid plane. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the hair rectangle from midpoint. Now give the below this line dimension 32 and this line dimension 30. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select through all. Okay. Okay. Now go to front plane and go to reference plane. Now here select 10. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the rectangle. Here select this line and this line distance 7. Now this line dimension 54 and this line dimension this line dimension 34. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude. Now here select up to. Now go to select up to body. Okay. Now go to this plane and height. Exit. This plane height. Now go to again here. Sketch. Go to extrude here. Now give the value here 48. Okay. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the circle here. Give the value circle 20. Now this line and this point distance 32, 38. Okay. Now this point control this point vertical. Now go to isometric view, feature and extrude card. Now here select for all. Now go, now go to isometric view. Now here extrude card up to next. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now go to draw the rectangle here. Now give the below this line dimension 20 and this line dimension 12. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Okay. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the hair center line. Now draw the circle here. Now give the value circle below 8. Okay. Now this point and this point vertical distance 24. Okay. Now go to asymmetric view and feature and select extrude cut. Okay. Now here extrude cut up to next. Okay. Now go to right plane. Now go to reference geometry and select plane. Now select this face and this face. Okay. Now go to mirror. Now select this plane. Feature to mirror. Here select. This card select. This card and extrude. Now select here geometry pattern. Now here select card. Okay. This select feature could not be patterned using the geometry pattern. Select the deselect. Now here problem. Now I am going to here select easy process. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select the roll. Okay. Now go to mirror. Now here select bodies to mirror. This face select face and here select bodies to mirror. Okay. Now go to this plane and height. Now go to isometric view. Now go to here select plane white. Now go to select metal castly. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Make our job. Thank you all everyone. Share and like. If have any ask, you can write comment box.